Hello friends, welcome to Healthylivingfitter channel by Florence Straka. In today's video, we are going to make a very healthy smoothie with banana, avocado, vanilla, yogurt and milk. So stay with me as I put everything together and make this delicious smoothie. So today's ingredients, I'm going to use 1 banana. I'm going to use half of this avocado, and there's going to be 1 cup of milk that we'll be using, and also I have a half cup of vanilla yogurt that will be mixing all this together, and this is going to be very delicious. We are not going to add any sweetness to it, and I know people do that, but I don't want to add anything to it. I just want this to be just healthy, so that's what we are going to be adding. I'm going to just peel off these bananas and make sure I take all the strings out, and as you can see, all of that has to come out, and I'm going to scrape this, make sure I have everything clean out, and then I am just going to cut this and put it in the blender. And this is a very ripe banana because we want everything to be sweet, since we are not adding any sweetness to it, so that's why we are using a very ripe banana. You always want to have. And then the avocado, cut it in half, and it is very ripe, and as you can see, and all I have to do is just cut it in pieces like this. Just be careful when you are using your knife, and all I have to do is just make this, and everything is easy to come out. And I'm just going to drop this into the blender, add it to the bananas. When your avocado is ripe, it's very healthy. This has a lot of health benefits in it, avocado, so you want to use that. It has potassium in it, it has magnesium in avocado, and it's very healthy for our skin. And with that, I'm going to add the half cup of the vanilla yogurt, and then I am going to add the 1 cup of milk. Oh wow, it's gonna be lovely. So everything is put together. I'm putting this on the blender, and I'm just covering it, and it will start to blend. Okay, our smoothie is ready, and I'm going to open this. Goodness, look at that texture. It looks so smooth and creamy. I'm going to pour this in a glass. All right, so now I'm going to pour this. Oh my goodness, look at that texture. Look at how creamy and then colorful because of the avocado. Wow, I love this already. And I'm going to give it a quick taste and see how it comes out. Delicious. Look at that. Looks yummy. Hello friends, so we just finished making our healthy smoothie. This is avocado, banana, vanilla yogurt. All this looks so yummy, so I'm going to give it a taste. This is very light, creamy. It's not too sweet because we did not add any sweetness to it. The sweetness comes from the banana that we add to it, and it makes such a big difference. You don't need to add any sweetness to this, and that's how I make my smoothies. It's natural, nothing sweetness to add, because the ingredient that we use is sweet, the banana. That's why I always like to use a very ripe banana, because you get all the sweetness from it, and so when you add it to any smoothie, you have the natural sweetness. You don't need to add any sweetness to it, but that is your choice. You can always add whatever you want, but this is just healthy and natural, and I would love you to make this and try it. It's so simple. It only takes a few minutes to make this. Under 5 minutes you have your everything done. And so if you do, let me know how yours came out, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share, like, comment, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below for me, and I'll get back to you as always. Thank you for watching my stay healthy, stay blessed, and try this avocado banana milk smoothie. Let me know how yours came out, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.